You can verify a product with a manufacturer by using the Verify Product function in Product Information Exchange. From the main menu, select My Networks. From the Network drop-down, select Product Information Exchange. Click Go. Click the Verify Product tile. Select a verification reason. For the verification source, select Scan Product Information. For produced source, select another company produced this product. For confirmation of possession, select Yes, I am in possession of this product. Click in the serial numbers field. Scan the 2D barcode on the product with your Wedge scanner. Click Submit. Products are considered verified if the packaging code, serial number, lot, and expiration date are matched in the verification router service VRS.